Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up with Instagram. First, locate the Instagram application in your device's App Store, like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and download it. Once installed, open the app. You'll see options to log in or create a new account. Choose to create a new account. You can sign up using your email address, a phone number, or by connecting your Facebook account for a quicker setup. After selecting your registration method, you'll be prompted to enter your details. If using email or phone, input your chosen contact information. Next, create a robust password. It should be at least 6 characters long and ideally include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. You will also need to provide your full name and your date of birth to confirm you meet the age requirements, which is typically 13 years old. Now it's time to personalize your profile. First, select a unique username. This is how others will find you on Instagram, so choose something memorable. Next, upload a profile picture. This could be a photo of yourself, a logo, or anything that represents you. Finally, craft a concise bio. This short description, limited to 150 characters, gives people a quick overview of who you are and what you share. With your profile complete, you're ready to dive into Instagram. Begin by finding and following friends or accounts that interest you. You can connect with contacts from your phone or Facebook. Explore the Discover tab to find new content, trends, and creators. Finally, don't hesitate to share your own photos and videos. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to upload your first post and connect with the community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.